Renderforest Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Renderforest Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll break down how the program works, who it's best for, and how you can earn commissions by promoting this all-in-one branding and video creation platform. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. Renderforest is an online platform that provides tools for video creation, website building, logo design, mock-ups, and graphic design. It's widely used by businesses, content creators, and marketers who need high-quality branding materials without expensive software or design skills. With thousands of templates, users can easily create professional intros, explainer videos, slideshows, and promotional content. It's cloud-based, meaning everything is accessible online with no downloads required. The Renderforest Affiliate Program allows bloggers, YouTubers, and digital marketers to earn 20% commission per sale when referring users to the platform. The program has a 90-day cookie duration, which gives you a longer window to earn commissions even if users don't sign up immediately. Another advantage is that Renderforest offers free access with limited features, making it easier to attract users who later upgrade to a paid plan. This affiliate program is ideal for content creators, digital marketers, business coaches, and design-focused influencers. If you already create content around branding, marketing, or video production, promoting Renderforest can be a seamless way to add extra revenue to your business. Since the platform is beginner-friendly, it appeals to a broad audience, increasing conversion potential. To effectively promote Renderforest, you can create YouTube tutorials, blog reviews, and social media content, showcasing how the platform simplifies branding and video creation. Demonstrating before and after results, or comparing it with other tools, can also boost engagement and conversions. Overall, the Renderforest Affiliate Program is a great way to earn high commissions while promoting a platform that provides real value to businesses and content creators. If you want to get started, check out the link in the description and sign up today. Thanks for watching.